It is Sunday, and I am going to take part in a little bit of Sunday self-care. I have not even made up my bed. I need to change my sheets. I am going to just enjoy the day.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence in the dark, so that
Okay, you guys, I picked up some more nails. I picked up these two. I already had these two. These are the coffin French tips. These I have on and have held up pretty well. I must say it's been almost a week. I only had one to pop off, and then I got these black ones. They're short. Since I type all day, I don't want to do, and I use a laptop all day. I don't want to go too super long, but I am going to put these on at some point. I find with the long nails, you do need a kind of a hardening of the nail, because otherwise they'll bend at the tip. So yeah, I'm not going to do these just yet. I'm going to wait till I get a nail UV light and some dip base and top coat, so I can kind of cure them a little bit so they won't bend when I wear them at the tip. But these right here are pretty short. These right here are probably about the length of the ones that I have on. And yeah, these black ones I have been looking for. if you can see. These black ones I had been looking for, and I finally found these two in HEB instead of ordering them off Amazon, because they had clearance out their old nails and they had a bunch of new ones. So, all right, I'm going to wash this off. Yeah, work smarter, not harder. Look, tighten them pores while you clean. So, yeah, I'm going to do my lashes today, too. I'm going to find time to do that because I've been lazy and I really hadn't had time to do my lashes because I've been so busy learning the new job. So, yeah, I'm going to wash this off. I have Devin's comforter in the wash, so that's why you didn't see me finish making up his bed, because he's been a little under the weather. So I'm trying to wash like all of the bedding in his room and change his sheets, because he, you know, when you're sick you got to wipe down everything. I don't know if he has the C word, but I think it's more allergies, because we have this thing here called cedar pollen, and he doesn't have a fever. He just has like a bit of a sore throat. So he's feeling better, but you can tell he's not 100%. So we're just going to keep an eye on that. But so yeah, he seems to be feeling okay. He just finished eating, and I told him to lay back down. Luckily, they're off tomorrow for MLK Day, MLK holiday. So he has plenty of time to rest up. Thank God. I really don't think it's the C word. I could be wrong, but I'll probably just pop in and have him tested just to make sure before he goes back to school, which I most likely will, because I don't want him to infect anybody else. You know, because if he does have it, he only has mild symptoms, and I feel fine. So we're probably just going to pop in tomorrow and have him tested just to make sure before he goes back to school. Because one thing about his high school is they have almost 3,000 students, and the parents could have actually opted out of their kids wearing masks to school. And I have seen a lot of kids in the morning during drop-off that have on no mask. But I make sure that he puts his on before he walks in the building, because 3,000, almost 3,000 students and staff total in one building, in one space, is just not, no. And I'm always getting notifications that somebody tested positive for COVID. And it's just a lot. Okay, one thing I do love about this Kylie Skin Mask is that the longer you wear it, you forget that it's on. Like, the longer it's on your skin, the better it actually feels. So this has probably been on about 30 minutes, and I just love the way it feels on my skin. It really does feel good on your skin. I don't know about our other products, because when I went to Ulta, I asked the guy that gave me recommended these products, and he said no. So I can only vouch for the detox mask. So yeah, don't hold me to the rest of the products, only the detox mask. Okay, my skin feels so freaking good. Lord, I love this mask. It's just, my skin is just like buttery smooth. Now I'm gonna follow up with some vitamin C. You guys, I'm just gonna tell you, I do not like my natural hair. It is work. So if you see me in this all the time, just know that I don't know what to do with my hair at this point. It's growing out. It's in the, I could rock it. It just absorbs moisture. There's nothing works. I have high porosity hair, so I'm just trying to find products that don't leave my hair dry like after 2 hours. But yeah, now I'm about to go in with my just some little cheap vitamin C oil, advanced clinicals that I picked up from HEB. Yeah, so now I'm about to go in with some vitamin C oil. Y'all, I made a mess. Don't judge me. I love vitamin C oil. It just instantly brightens up your face, and it helps with like dark circles and stuff like that. I really want to try the Urban RX vitamin C serum, but it's like $25, and I'm on a budget this year because I really want to be intentional about saving, getting my credit together, and saving for a house. It will not be here. Austin is it's like similar to like LA, California. the market is insane, and my little $37,000 a year income is not going to cut it. I'm just gonna be honest. I put it up there. I know people don't like to talk about money, but baby, we 37. Yeah, but we 37,000 a year over here. You know, I'm trying to find a side hustle now because that's not gonna cut it this day and age. And I know there are a lot of people who make less than me, you know, but in my profession, that's the average. You know, you're not going to get $25 an hour. You know, if I want to do that, I'm going to have to go back to school, which I am not going into any more student loan debt. No. I went to school for 18 months and I had 30 grand worth of debt. No. So, we're not doing that. And also, I'm going to put on this collagen moisturizer from Walmart. It's the Equate brand. It's like $3.97. Y'all, when I tell you this is some good-ish, I use this every night. I use this in the daytime because I have my day cream and I have my night cream. I like to use some type of collagen. I need to get some retinol, but it's expensive and I just don't want to buy it right now. So yeah, I use this Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue Gel Cream. This is water-based, so it melts into the skin. And it does a really good job because I have combo skin, probably more oily than anything. And it melts right onto my face and it doesn't make my skin extra greasy. Oops. So, yeah. And I got that. But yeah, you really should go to Walmart and get this Equate Collagen Moisturizer. It's really good for a night cream. Luckily, I don't have a lot of wrinkles, so I don't have to worry about all that. Okay, now last but not least, I'm going in with my Vaseline Rosy Lips lip balm. I've been using this stuff for a while. I use it day and night, and I swear by it. I use it for me and for them. It just feels really good on your skin, and it has just a hint of color. You know, in this winter time, everything dries out. I need to fix my nail too. I'm gonna pop another one on. That's the good thing about press-on nails. When them bad boys pop off, I just grab some glue and an extra nail and pop it back on. It ain't no going to the nail shop, making an appointment, soaking that nail off, putting another one on, and you charge me $10 for that, $5 for that. No, you just pop another cheap nail on and we keep it a pushing. Blanket in here. I'm about to put some Lysol laundry sanitizer since he hasn't been feeling well. I'm not just gonna wash it with plain laundry detergent, which I do love this Purex Naturals. I used to be a Tide person, like the Tide Free and Clear, but I find that this does a really good job and it gets my clothes really clean. So, and it's only $7, and you get a pretty good size. It does 115 loads. So yeah, but make sure that when you're trying to really sanitize clothes and you don't have that sanitizing option on your washer or dryer, make sure you're getting this, because this, you know, I use it for my bath towels, my kitchen towels, our clothes, my work clothes, my scrubs, everything where I feel like, you know, bacteria or whatever can be brought into the house, I use it. The one thing I like about this washer is it has the bulky sheets option if you have to wash like blankets and stuff like that. It has the wrinkle control, the hand wash, the cold wash, rinse and spin. And I use I do use these fresh tablets in my washer. It has a clean washer option. It also has a power wash option, which I've never used. I don't have anything dirty enough to power wash it. But yeah, I mostly use these two settings right here, and this one if I'm only washing like a handful of things. I'm probably gonna go back and get the dryer that matches this because it actually has the sanitizing option on it. But for right now, I'm using my old Roper that I had in my previous house. The only thing that was wrong with my washer that matched this was just that the drum was off balance, and I probably could have paid to have someone to fix it, but I just felt like I wanted a new one. Okay, this is my linen closet. I really want to organize this one day, but I'm not in a hurry. I keep all our extra, like my candles, bath and body supplies, you know, personal beauty supplies, medicine, my towels, don't judge me, extra sheets and blankets, and then my laundry supplies are down there. So yeah, one day when I find time, I want to like put baskets and stuff in here, but that'll be another video for another day. Hi you guys, it is currently January the 19th. It's 1:30 and I am on lunch break. I just did a Best Buy pickup order. I ordered me a new laptop because the one that I had, it was okay. It was like a cheap version because I never had a job where I actually had to like work from work on my laptop, because the jobs, you know, front office desk, they always have their own computers and you're not really taking any information home with you. So yeah, I ordered me a Samsung Chromebook. I wanted to save and get a MacBook, but I just feel like, for what? You know, it's different with the therapist because they're actually, you know, doing treatments and all that stuff. But for me, it's just front office. So yeah, I was just like, what is the point of me paying $1,000 for a MacBook? Now, all of the therapists have MacBooks, but they actually, you know, have to keep up with patient files and all that stuff from there, and they do telehealth as well, so they need that, you know, the whole, you know, expensive laptop thing. But as far as me, I'm usually in and out of applications all day, you know, uploading stuff to patients' charts, so it's not imperative that I pay $1,000+ for a laptop. Now, I do want an iMac for my home, but as far as a laptop, I'm not that into laptops to actually be paying that much for a laptop. So yeah, I actually just left Best Buy. I did a pickup order. I got the Samsung Chromebook. I hadn't opened it yet. I was going to wait till I got home, but now I just want to open it to see if my $269 is it going to be something that I like. So since I'm in my car, I'm actually trying to open this with car keys. Y'all bear with me. Okay, so we are doing a car Chromebook unboxing because since I picked it up close to my job, if I hate it, I can always take it back. Because I didn't want to go after work because traffic going that direction that I go, it's just terrible at that time of, you know, in the evenings. So yeah, let's see. I needed a bigger laptop because I just look at a lot of patients' info through the laptop. Ugh. I'm really not gonna try to do this with one hand. Oh, I like it. It almost kind of reminds me of a MacBook, but of course it's not. But this was on sale. I got like $50 off. The total price was $269. So yeah, I just needed something, as far as this is a 15.6-inch screen, I think. I just needed something better. So and I don't like the fact that it's not touchscreen, but honestly, I don't really care. That's fine. I like this. They said the screen resolution wasn't that good if you were trying to watch it, you know, if you wanted to lean the screen back and stuff, but I don't really care. I'm like this all day, you know, looking at patients' information and scheduling and stuff, so I really don't care about. I just need a basic laptop that was good, somewhat good, got the job done for what I needed it to do. Point blank period. I'll do a better unboxing later once I actually set it up, but for right now, this will do. Alrighty, I finally made it home. This is my old Chromebook. This was just something that I got from Walmart, but if you're looking for a laptop for a kid, see if I can zoom down. But if you're looking for a laptop for maybe a student or something like that, this Evo laptop is really good, just for basic usage. You know, if you're not gonna do anything out of the ordinary, then this one is a good one. I think it was like $100 and something from Walmart. Cord, little charger. Of course, gonna have to get me a backpack. Yes, I cannot wait to use her at work. She is big. You know, mama need a big laptop. If I'm going to be looking at a laptop all day, we are going to have to, oh, I got to remember that's the back. Okay, so Samsung Chromebook. I wonder if I have to charge it first. It kind of looks like the MacBook. Of course, you know, Samsung tries to copy everything Apple does, but they get close, but they don't get there. You know, I just love Apple products, the ease of them. So let me see. Do I have a plug somewhere over here? Yes, I do. So I'm going to plug this in. Oh my God, I'm so gonna love this for work. This was under $300. I think this is a pretty good for under $300 if you're just looking to do like work stuff from it. But yeah, I'm gonna set this up and I will be back in just a bit.
When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be mine.